Hello, hello, hello everybody out there. This is a real short video on how to transmit a frequency. I made another one, but someone told me to give an example. So this is how you transmit frequency. Now remember this, the mind is a receiver and transmitter of thought. Thought is energy. So you are a receiver and transmitter. I'm now going to teach you how to transmit a frequency. Basically saying, for those of you that manifest, how to manifest. For those that create, this is how we create. You first have to figure out what it is you want. Health, wealth, romance, whatever, to create. So for an example, I'm going to be experimenting with a laptop. I'd like to create a new laptop. The one I have is great, but it's a little bit slower. I'd like to get a newer version, an updated version, an upgraded version. So I'm going to start the process of how to create and how to manifest for myself a laptop. Whatever it is you want to create, get a piece of paper and write it down now. I'll pause for a few seconds to get my paper. I hope you're getting yours. So, there are two types of people. One, you're on YouTube looking for free videos all the time. That's great. Two, there's people who pay for mentors, coaches, trainers. I do both. I get on YouTube, I get all the stuff I can for free on YouTube, and I go very deep. I go very deep down the rabbit hole. So I'm not just reading surface level. I go very deep. Those of you who are following me, and if you're new, check out my past videos. I go very deep. Two, I also pay for mentorship. I cover my bases. Two, I pay for mentorship. I have 3 people that I'm paying. Well, actually, I'm part of an organization. It's a private organization that we're all like-minded people. If you want more information about that, I joined that organization from listening to Your Wish Is Your Command. So I'm a member of that organization. Number one, if you're not a member of a success group or organization, you better find one. It's a success secret. You're part of a group or organization. I'm part of one. I have another mentor I am paying for a specific goal I'm working on. Part of that is this YouTube channel, so you know it's working. And my third mentor that I am paying, he's teaching me about my own mindset upgrade, because I'm upgrading my own mindset. So I use those 3 paid channels to reinforce my background, and then I'm using what's here on YouTube. So how to manifest? You get yourself your paper, and you can use a pen. I like to use blue pen and white paper. I paid some money and someone told me that. That's a frequency color. That's all frequency. Blue pen and plain white paper. No lines. Lines restrict you. You want paper. You want to be able to have free flowing of thoughts, because you're about to create free flowing of thoughts. Lines are good, but subconsciously they restrict you to that line. So, 1, I am creating and manifesting a laptop. I've already gone ahead and went to the store and I saw one I liked. Actually, I saw one I loved. So I go there to the store once or twice a week to look at it, to touch it. So whatever it is you want, do the same. It's very, very important, because that's part of the process. That's like the second or third step of the process. But right now, we're creating. So simply write, laptop. I am so thankful and grateful I have a new laptop. In fact, I'm so thankful and grateful I have an Alienware high-speed laptop, which I love. You see how I expanded that? Whatever it is you want, write it down first. I cannot stress this enough, because that's a thought outside in the ether, in the zero-point field, in the quantum. You're seeing it like me. I see my laptop. Man, I can see myself just... I'm transmitting. Pay attention. This is free. But this is what I tell my clients who are paying me. High ticket clients are paying me to tell this I'm selling to you now. I like that laptop. Wow, it's a great laptop. It's high power. Alienware. Ooh, man. I'll be able to make videos faster, more smoother. It'll have a better webcam. It's going to be durable. It's going to have a lot of capacity to hold all my music, my videos, all my trainings. Oh my God. Wow, I really like that. Be writing things down in your own way. I'm just doing this now because you just have to do that once. That's the best part of the law of attraction and manifestation and creation. You just have to do it once. Once. So, I'm still thinking about my laptop. My eyes are closed. I'm transmitting the frequency. Man, whoa, I'll be sending some great emails. Oh, and the best part, I get to like put everything from my old computer to the new one. I'm gonna make one folder and title it New Computer, New Me. I'm just gonna title that New Me on my computer. How much is it again? I don't know. I really don't care. I just know I want a laptop. So whatever it is you want, just know what you want. Don't worry how you're gonna get it. Don't even think about it. Just know I want a laptop, or whatever it is you might want. You might want a house. You might want a car. You want a new appointment. You might want some recognition. Whatever it is you want, it's up to you. You're the creator. You're the commander of your being. Whatever it is you want. I'm still on my laptop thinking. As I'm thinking about my laptop, I love this. This laptop is going to be. In fact, I'm going to get a laptop cover. I'm going to get a laptop cover for that. I'm going to get also a little hard drive on the side. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oof. Do you see what I'm doing, everybody out there? I'm thinking about the laptop. I'm talking about it. I'm already visualizing myself acting as if. If you notice, I've incorporated a whole bunch of elements that you already know, but now I'm putting it into practice. On this laptop. Oof. And it's a nice, good color. It's black. Oof. With red lining. And when I was at the store, they told me that this one is a gaming powered, has a high graphics card. I don't play games. I'm not a gamer. He said, wow, you're not a gamer? I'm not a gamer. I said, so whatever you're doing, this is going to be like rockets straight. I'm like, yeah, I'm not a gamer, but I do work. He said, then if you're not a gamer, this is still great. It would take you faster to places you want to go. I'm like, wow. I remember his name was Jeff at the store. Yeah. See how I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen? You're following me. If you're still paying attention, I'm dropping everything that people pay me for. I'm giving to you for free. That's the frequency I'm on. I'm on the frequency of that laptop. Whoa. I'm on the frequency of that laptop. And if you notice, in the background, there's a sound playing. Listen. That's a frequency, solfeggio frequency, 528 megahertz. That's the creation frequency. You see how I cover all my bases? I hope you're taking notes. Play a frequency in the background when you're doing this. And just feel the emotion of having it. You see, I'm just like, feel the emotion. If you're having difficulty pulling up an emotion, let me help you here. If you're those of you who have loved ones, or like kids, think about when you first saw your child. There must have been that spark of love, that, oh my God, that's mine? Oh. Now, I don't have kids, so I don't know. But I have had a dog. I've had for like 12 years. I had her when she was like really small, from 5 weeks old. When I saw her at 5 weeks old, I just felt that pure love. So when I'm thinking of my laptop, oh my God, I pull out that emotion. I just bring out that emotion. And ladies and gentlemen, right now, if you're here into the video, listen to this. You're in the gamma frequency. You are in the billionaire, millionaire wave frequency. You're in gamma. This is a transmission. This is live. My frequency is affecting your frequency in a positive way. You're going to start feeling really happy. You're going to start, oh my God, you're like, you feel it? You feel it, you feel it, you feel it, you feel it. It's going up. It's feel it. with the sound in the background, my laptop in my mind, and whatever it is you want, because I'm here to keep you accountable. Oh my God, this laptop, I'm going to get this laptop. When? I'm not putting any fixed dates. All I know is that I'm transmitting a frequency of a laptop, and whatever I put out must come back to me. Must. It is a command to me. So, you saw how that emotion was? It's all about emotion. Energy in motion. Energy in motion is emotion. You need to do whatever you need to do to create that emotion. You see how I'm creating? You feel that emotion? I'm getting that laptop. So, I've put some things down on paper. I'm transmitting the frequency. Later on in the evening, I'm going to read this. In fact, I might stick it on the wall in my home, somewhere in where I can see it several times a day. And then I will pause and read it on my laptop. Oh, I made a video telling everybody online that they can create their desires. See how I'm going to connect that emotion? And to anchor it in. Remember, you can anchor in anything by simply tapping your head. I learned this trick from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. He taps his head. Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. I have a millionaire mind. I have a millionaire mind. It's all here. Let me see. I like to give you guys the best. Get a copy of this. You'll see what I'm talking about. But you don't need to get it if you don't want to. You can go online, look up some summaries on YouTube videos, pick out the summary. I have a millionaire mind. 3 fingers to lock in that feeling. That laptop is mine. So, you get the idea? You're transmitting a frequency all the time, so why not throw a desire in? So I'll be experimenting first with this one. I'll keep you guys posted when I get it, and I'll even show it to you. In fact, I'll make a video on the laptop and show it to you guys. When? I don't know when, but check me out. I'll let you know when it's updated. So, I want to go tell you thank you so much for being here. And remember, this is how you transmit a frequency. This is how you create. This is how you manifest anything you want. Go around and check any of the videos online, anywhere. See if they tell you this. If they do, you know I'm speaking the truth. Go on, check. Some people don't even know it. So this is how you transmit a frequency. Because like I told you in the beginning of this video, remember, the brain is a transmitter and receiver of thought. So, goodbye. Have a great day. Like I said in all my videos, I love you. I really do.